Hi guys, today in this video we shall learn about sources of Hindu law. We all know Hindu law is mainly a law governing the Hindus. Mainly the sources of Hindu law can be classified into two, ancient sources and modern sources. Ancient sources of Hindu law include Shrutis, Smritis, Commentaries and Digests, Sadacharas, Doctrine of Fact and Valid, and modern sources of Hindu law include judicial decisions, principles of justice, equity and good conscience, legislations. First of all, Shrutis. The Shrutis are regarded as of divine origin. Shruti literally means what was heard by the sages in a revelation by God. Shruti include 4 Vedas, namely Rig, Yajur, Sama and Atharva Vedas, the 6 Vedangas and Upanishads. The Vedas are revelations of the Almighty. These Vedas contained practically no law, but they dealt with different forms of marriage, adoption, partition, and the exclusion of women from inheritance. Number 2, Smritis. Smriti means what was remembered. Smritis are recorded by the sages in their own words of what they had heard from the God. Smritis are again classified into two, Dharma Sutras and Dharma Shastras. Both are excellent sources of Hindu law. Among Smritis, Narada Smriti, Manu Smriti and Yajnavalkya Smriti are very important. All these Smritis deal with the civil and criminal law, the laws of marriage and the rules of procedural law. Third one, Commentaries and Digests. Since the Smritis did not agree with each other, they gave rise to commentaries. Commentaries are also known as Nibandhas. The Yajnavalkya Smriti is commented on by Vigneshwara, which has later become the Midakshara school of Hindu law. The same Yajnavalkya Smriti was also commented by Jimudavahana, which later became the Dayabhaga school of Hindu law. Fourth ancient source, Sadacharas or customs. Custom is a rule of action uniformly and continuously followed by the bulk of people for a long time. Custom is recognized as an important source of all civil laws. In modern sources, number 1, judicial decisions. The judicial decisions of High Court and Supreme Court are binding in nature and are published in law reports. These decisions of High Courts and Supreme Court are considered as precedents and applicable in subsequent cases. Second one, principles of justice, equity and good conscience. When the law is silent, the courts in India followed justice, equity and good conscience in deciding many new points of Hindu law. Thus, these principles of justice, equity and good conscience became source of Hindu law. Third modern source, legislations. This is the latest source of Hindu law. Legislations are the latest source of Hindu law. These legislations have not only brought in profound changes in the ancient Hindu law, but also have made the law certain and definite.